Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install the macOS Sequoia beta on your Mac. First things first, you need to back up your Mac, just in case something goes wrong during the installation. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then go to System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, click on the General tab, and then click on Time Machine. Here, you'll need to connect an external hard drive or storage device to your MacBook. It should then appear on the list. You can go ahead and format it and back up all of your MacBook information to the storage device. If you'd like a more comprehensive guide on backing up your Mac, I'll leave a link to a separate video in the description below. Okay, now that we've backed up all of our data, we need to sign up for the Apple Beta software program. Open your web browser and go to beta.apple.com. I'll also put a link in the description to make it easy for you. Once you're on the website, scroll down a bit and click on the blue Sign Up button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Go ahead and do that. Now your Apple ID is linked with the beta program, which means we can download beta software. To do this, go back to the Apple logo in the top left corner and click on System Settings again. In System Settings, click on the General tab, and then click on Software Update. You should now see a new tab called Beta Updates. If you don't see it, try restarting your Mac. Click on the information icon to the right of Beta Updates. This will bring up a pop-up box. Click on the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates, and select the version of the beta update you want to install.